What is going on, everybody? We're back with another video, finally. It's been about a week or two since I've been on the bike. It got really cold here and I got really busy. But I'm glad to be back on the old KLX here. So we're actually going to meet up and ride with a DRZ400. It's actually Woody's gamer tag. Some of you guys may know him. He's like an OG on YouTube. Hopefully the audio's alright, but I believe he said he had a DRZ, so we're about to pull up to his place and do some riding with him. In other news, this company sent me these gloves. They're kind of like these real inexpensive winter gloves, and I'm trying them out. I rode my Z to the gym and had them on, and I liked them a lot. But they're actually pretty nice for being winter gloves. I got them and I didn't think they'd be anything special to keep my hands warm, but there's actually some more padding right there. So it actually keeps the wind off pretty good. So far so good with these gloves. I'll link them in the description. They sent them out to me to check them out. I haven't been out for a week or two because it's been so freaking cold. It's hard to get out, but once you're out, I'm all good. So what year is that?
16, I think?
Yeah?
Yeah. You can try it at some point if you like.
Okay. Definitely take you up on that. We can trade off. All right, everybody, pulling out from the crib. We're gonna go head over to some spots here. Maybe we'll try to peek out some spots on the side of the road. Woo, made it over to this spot. Now I'm gonna pop it up a little bit real quick. I got the bike so clean. I'm about to dirty her up again real quick. So this spot isn't too huge or anything, but we got that little loop, and then there's a nice little other loop I'll show you over here too. It's and then sometimes you kind of connect them, and it's not huge, but it's fun.
You're so fast, dude.
Oh my god, appreciate it. I'll take you on this next one. I like this little loop the best. I don't know, once you start kind of working some little ruts in and everything, it can be fun. Yeah, I'll try that. Yeah. I almost feel bad putting you on this with this tire, but it's definitely be weary of it.
Roger that.
First time on a DRZ. Also off the bat, definitely feels, it's a 400, a bigger bike, so I do feel like the seat height is a little bit higher as well, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'm just saying it feels a little different. It'll get that front wheel up too, that's for sure. All right, we made it to the trail here. The next trail, that is. And my GoPro died somewhere when I was talking about the bike, but just to briefly go over, I like the setup he has. I don't know if he bought it like this or added some of these things on, but he's got like a Yoshi pipe. He's got the bark busters here. He's got the ASV levers, which are like the real expensive levers, the real deal ones, the brake back, and they're a little bit smaller too, so it fits perfectly for 1 or 2 fingers. It's actually really nice. So DRZ gets a pass in my book. It's a real fun bike. We're just gonna go up onto this trail. This is always a fun trail. It's right up next to the lake. Woo! I think he's got the Seat Concepts seat on it as well, which is definitely a nice little upgrade. Nice fall colors out here though. It's pretty. All right, here we go. There he comes. Woo! Woo! She keeps going. These leaves are throwing me off a little bit. Making me question if I'm on the trail or not. Oh, this is pretty sweet. I don't think I've ever really been this far on these trails. Got some little switchbacks now. Yeah, never been this far for sure. I feel like we're on a little deer trail or something. I don't know what this is, but what do we got here? That was cool. I've never been this far.
Dude, this place is amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I try to stay off any type of like walking trails for people with their dogs and everything, but I don't see any. Usually, like there's some white marking on those trails, so I mean, I think we're good. Good enough for me. But I'm gonna try a wheelie up this hill real quick. I've never been. I don't know what this is. That's a nice little jump. Now those are walking trails. This is sweet. I don't know what this is. Right here where we came on brought us to the little loop. I don't know if it went any further past where we came up or not. I don't think I saw anything. I don't know.
I just try to hang on, man.
That was fun though.
It was.
You want to take that trail back or see if it goes the other way?
Yeah.
This is some bumpy terrain, but it's kind of fun. It's like wide open. Woo! All right, that was some good trail riding. I think we're now on the trail that's taking us back out over here. Yeah, once it gets a little thicker over here. You want to switch? I'll try to get the front wheel up on that thing.
All right.
See how she does. Yeah, on this you really have to work the power out of it, that's for sure. All right. Oh yeah, she gets her up in second. I might try third gear. Woo! That DRZ's definitely got some power. It brings it up in third gear a little bit easier. This thing's fun, man. Can't hate on a DRZ, that's for sure. I keep telling myself, one more, one more. That's fun. Yeah, she's got some beans.
You got it figured out, all right.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
What'd you think?
It was fun. It's got, I was doing it second gear first. That's pretty fun too. And then,
right, 21 miles an hour, you think?
yeah, and then I started going up at third gear, and I was doing it there.
I don't know how.
And it's just, sometimes I like third gear because once you get the wheel up, you kind of have a little more power to play with. You don't. Sometimes in second gear I like run out of power. It is. I could definitely feel that one sits higher, no doubt.
Yeah, and I guess if you're doing great wheelies, it hardly matters. But
yeah,
if you're where I am, you know,
yeah,
it's nice to be low. I remember it. This is the
performance
tune thing.
A little EJK. That's about all I've done for performance. So just the pipe in that, and that woke it up a good bit.
This has a pipe, and I think they jetted the carb.
Yeah,
the snorkel off the intake.
You bought all the stuff was on it when you bought it?
Yeah, almost all of it. Yeah, this is pretty much how it was. I like his taste. I think you got good stuff.
I was about to say he has some tasteful mods with the ASV levers. Those are like
levers are me.
Those are you did I know those are like 130 pop.
Yeah.
Or something like that. All right, y'all. Well, we just got off the trail. Everybody, I'm heading back home here now. Just got off the trail. That was a good ride for sure. Had some fun getting on the DRZ, trying that out for the first time. But that's gonna do it for this one, everybody. So thank you guys for watching, everybody. Be sure to subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.